Hello, welcome to lesson about cause and effect. My name is Bilal inanc and I am from Uzama University. In this class, we are going to analyze cause and effects in terms of sentences and essays. Let's look at the definition of cause and effects. Firstly, what is a cause? A cause is an event that makes something happen. An event that makes something happen. What is an effect? An effect is what happens after causes. In other words, effect is a result of causes. Let's look at these examples. Sheldon fell down because he was running fast. So Sheldon fell down as a result of running too fast. Let's look at this example. He did not go to school because he was sick. So being absent in the school is result of being sick. And here is the connecting words or conjunction words: since, for, because, as, that's why, as a result, so, and consequently. We use these words for creating cause and effect sentences. Let's complete these sentences. Okay, let's complete these sentences. Mike misses his mom. So we can write a sentence like this. Mike misses his mom, so he cried a lot. So crying is result of missing his mom. Let's look at this example. Penny was upset. We can write a sentence like this. So she did not talk to her friends. So not talking to her friends is result of being upset. In this in this example, he was too hungry. We can write a sentence like so he ate he ate a lot. He ate too much. So eating too much is result of being hungry. Okay, let's look at this example. The weather was cold, therefore Sally closed the window. In this example, closing the window is result of the weather. I mean, the condition of the weather. So this is a effect and this is a cause. The weather was cold, therefore Sally put on her coat. And again, this one effect and this one cause. In this example, the weather was cold, consequently Sally put on her scarf. This one again cause, and this is this one effect, this one cause. Blizzard hit the town. As a result, the schools were closed. So I would like to pay attention in this part. These sentences are conjunctions words for combining causes and effects sentences, actually we can understand which part is cause and which part is effect by understanding these words. Alright, let's look at this part, analyzing cause and effect in terms of essays. For all its conceptual complexity, a cause and effect essay can be organized quite simply. So it's not too difficult as all students think. I mean, most of students think. Let's look at the introduction. The introduction generally presents subjects and states the purpose of the analysis in a clear thesis. I'd like to pay your attention, get your traction here. Clear sentences, clear thesis is important for introduction. For the body paragraph, here's the introduction and the body. The body of the paper then explores all relevant causes and effects, typically progressing from least to most influential or from most to least influential. And again, the typical progressing from least to most influential or most to least influential. This part is important. We should pay attention also here. So in the conclusion, finally, the concluding section summarizes the various cause-effect relationship established in the body of paper and clearly states the conclusions that can be drawn from those relationships. So in the conclusion is very important for cause and effects essays. In conclusion, and we, as mentioned here, the summarizes various cause and effects relationships that's established in the body. Thank you very much for your paying attention. I hope you understand, at least get something from this class. Thank you very much.